Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you how I created my Christmas tree centerpiece with just Dollar Tree items. This was just a placemat that I've already had, but Dollar Tree has an array of different kinds. And I also bought one of their glass vases. Now I started to fill it with some fake snow. This snow roll is actually from Michael's. It was originally $5, but I never buy anything from Michael's without a coupon these days. So I believe I used a 40% off, so I got it for a couple dollars. Dollar Tree does sell the snow rolls. I think just they're very small, so for what I needed them for, because I need this for another project, this was the better deal for me, but Dollar Tree does sell this. But you could also use cotton balls for this instead. I took some of these gold glittery pine cones, and I started to fill the vase up with the fake snow. I added some of the Christmas ball ornaments. I also had the glitter to put on the snow. That was actually from last year, so that was something I just had on hand. You could probably buy something similar from Dollar Tree or just use normal glitter. So I basically went about filling the vase with a little bit of snow. I would put an ornament in there or one of the pine cones, put some more glitter, and made sure it looked nice all the way around. I took some of the fake holly that Dollar Tree also has, and I put a couple pieces in there as well. There was also this really beautiful tree branch that they were selling. It had a couple of gold glittery pine cones on it, these little twisty things, so I used one of those in there as well. But the branch itself was like wrapped, like twisted wire. It was really thick and heavy, but it was nicely done. I was very surprised that came from Dollar Tree. Now here, I thought I was going to use the terrariums alongside this. I wound up not doing that, but I also bought these fairy lights from Dollar Tree and kind of stuffed them in there. This might be something that you'd want to do ahead of time, just like as you're filling the vase, but I didn't want to take everything out and redo it, so I kind of just smushed it down in there. I also found these trees that light up. They feel like they're ceramic. I'm not really sure what they are, but they're kind of heavy, but they're really nice quality, and I thought they would be kind of cute for the centerpiece. Then I just went ahead and used whatever supplies I had left and sort of just try to create a nice looking centerpiece. I used some of the holly to kind of cover the battery pack a little bit. And yeah, that was kind of all I did. I just went with what looked nice. I tried to make sure the centerpiece looked nice all the way around. All Dollar Tree items, except for the snow, like I said, but Dollar Tree does sell that. But the fairy lights, even the batteries came from Dollar Tree. But as you can see, you can make a really nice and beautiful centerpiece on the cheap. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell button so you can be notified of future videos when I upload them, and I will see you all next time. Thanks!